All right, good afternoon, you guys. Going to do a quick recap for you here today. So, started off this morning on the Top Step account in the London session and took one bad entry. I was down about $371 on the Apex and the Top Step. And then I was able to identify the silver bullet setup and get both accounts almost back to even overnight there. I think I was down $100 on Top Step and maybe 50 on the Apex account going into the New York Open there. Did have some interesting lag in the New York session here first thing in the morning. I entered a trade at 9:39 and the trade was going my way. I was trying to move my stop up to break even, which is what I do a lot. If any of you have been watching my channel, you know I move the stop to break even pretty quickly. And then from there, what I like to do is I like to move my target up potentially. So I'll run the video here, show you guys kind of what happened. So here's the trade. We were looking to take an entry above the VWAP here, and we do that. So as it breaks through the VWAP, we get long, and you'll see me attempt to move my stop here 3 times. So I'm just going to rewind it here so that it comes to the part what's important. So it fills me here, almost goes up to my target. I attempt to move my stop to break even, and you can see it snaps back. Attempt to move it a second and third time, does the same thing. At this point, I'm just like, all right, I don't know what's going on. Let me just exit the trade. So I hit the exit button while we're at 50. So you can see we were at 50. Never went really below 50 there, and it filled me at 42.50 for a $125 winner. So that was kind of annoying. And at that point, I was only up $60 on the Top Step account. I was up a little over 200 on the other account. So these issues that we're having with Tradovate is getting kind of annoying, and I'm not saying that I would not have blown the Top Step account anyway, but what I am saying is that trade right there was probably going to be a $500 or $600 trade at least, and then I wouldn't have taken any more trades on that account today. As it was, I did take another trade. I tried to take the what I outlined as the silver bullet setup, and it failed. We were down around $700 on the account, and at that point, there was not much we could do. It just, we took another risky entry, and we got stopped out. So this account went kaboom, but that's okay. We're going to go ahead and reset it, and we'll restart fresh in step 2. I did message Top Step just to see what they potentially could do, but haven't really heard anything back from them yet. So the good news is we did take another trade in the Apex account. We were down also 700 on the other Apex eval, but we took a trade in this eval here, a few trades. We were able to reach the $3,000 threshold here, so as you can see on this account. So we will be funded on Apex. We just got to continue out the trading days. I think there's maybe 5 more days left on this account. And then also we took a few more trades on the other account and got it up to, well, actually just one trade, same trade. So both of these were the exact same trade here. Just one was with 2 contracts, one was with 1. I had a better entry on this secondary one than I did the primary one. So got a nice little $5,000 out of those 2 accounts, and we were down, we were down 1,000 on the Top Step, and down about 700 on the other Apex account. So we're still, whatever. If you want to do the math on that, we're still net positive about $3,300 today. So, but the good news is we will be funded on Apex, so we'll have a funded Apex account here in 4 or 5 days, so that we can trade that, and that's pretty much it. That's going to end the recap from today. If Top Step does anything about the lag that I was experiencing this morning on that one trade, I'll let you guys know. I'll probably reach out to Apex too, because that lag also happened on the Apex account too. And like I said, not saying that I would not have continued trading. I might have. I don't think I would have traded the Top Step account because of the state of the Top Step account. It was so close to the drawdown. So $500-$600 winner is gonna put me to bed for the day on that account. But the Apex account, potentially I could have kept trading. Not going to say that wouldn't be the case, but at any rate, that's the recap for today. I will be live tonight for the London session, 3 to 4 a.m. So if you are awake, join me then. We'll be also live tomorrow in the New York, 9 to 11-ish. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, like the video, hit the bell notification so you get notified every time I upload a video or go live. And we'll see you next time.